Hi, how would you like to just have one software that can write you a script, that can generate your images, that can create a video that is likely to go viral, and that can even schedule those videos to your social media, all in one click and everything in one software? Hi, my name is Enorita James, and in my channel, I talk about digital hustle tips, especially for people over 50 like me. If you're over 50 and you want to start a YouTube channel, but you don't want all those hassles of having to write a script, think of prompts to give to ChatGPT, and then copy it to an image generating software like Leonardo.ai or Bing.ai or even Canva Dream Lab, and then you now take it back again to another software that can change image to video like Clink AI or Halio.ai and so on and so forth. And then you put it back together again using a video editor. It's a long process for some people. So if you want a situation where you can do all in one place, this is a video for you. But I need to tell you upfront, this software is not free. I do not like hiding anything. This software is for you if you're over 50 and you have the money and you want to really do this as a business, but something that will not stress you. This video is for you. So let's go and let me show you how you can generate a YouTube short with just a few clicks. Take a look at this.
Dio's drum. Dio banged on buckets when his mum went to market. "You're making noise," neighbors said. But one uncle watched, then gave him a real drum. Dio practiced. No teacher, just ears. Years later, the village planned a festival. The DJ didn't show. They called Dio. His hands did the talking. After the cheers, someone said, "So that noise had a purpose." Moral: noise becomes rhythm when someone listens long enough.
This is the software you're going to be using. It's called Revit.ai. Once you put Revit.ai on Google, it takes you here. All you need is a Gmail or an email to register. And once you register, you have this. The very first thing I need to show you is the cost. As I said, it is not free. So if you go to upgrade now, this is the cost. It is rather expensive. This video is for people that are over 50. They want to start a YouTube channel, but they don't want all the hassles of going from one software to the other. For instance, if you want to generate an AI video, first you need to write your script on ChatGPT, copy your script, go to an image generator like Leonardo or Dale or Canva Dream Lab or Bing. After you've generated your images, you now take it to a software that can change images to videos like Clink AI or the Alio AI and so on and so forth. Then you can put everything together in a video editor. But there are people that just don't like that stress. So if you have your money and you don't want stress, then you come to Revit.ai. If you want a free software, then this video is not for you. That is why I decided to show you this first. This is the cost monthly. If you want to pay annually, come here. This is what you pay, but you pay it annually. You pay it annually. So you can scroll down and see all the things that you want to do. So now that that is out of the way, let's go back here and let's create a video. Another thing I need to show you before we create the video, you can search viral videos. I see some videos that are viral. Then maybe you can create your video according to those viral videos. You can also generate scripts here. You might not need to go to you may not need to go to ChatGPT, you know. So, but first, let me create a video so that you see how straightforward and easy really it is to use it. So if you click on create video, this is a short generator, a script generator, prompt to video, music to video, audio to video, article to video. You can get an article from your blog and convert it to video. You can do a talking elevator here and all that. So first, let's use my own script. I have a script that I'm going to use, so I'll just go quickly to my chat GPT. I have a script there. So let me just copy it. It's a short script. Let me quickly copy it. And let's go back there. And let me paste it here. So I've pasted my script. Good. So once you've done that, they'll ask you to choose media type. So when you come here, you'll see all the kind of media types you want to choose. But this is the only one you can choose to generate and your images if you're not subscribed to them. This is the only one. If I go and choose AI video, it will not generate anything. So if you just want to practice your hands on it, you have to start with this one, moving AI images. So we'll click on that, and then we'll click on choose a generation preset. So this is how do you want it to be? How do you want it to be, base, pro, or ultra? So what I normally do, I just leave it at base, because if you go to pro to take off 4 credits, they gave you only 10 credits. So I'll just leave it as this model cannot be changed for this. So I have to leave it here. Okay, no problem. So let's continue. Now let's go to voice. Select a voice or record yourself. So I'm going to go to voice library. I'm going to choose a voice. I'm going to listen to see first what is
The
sound.
thing always happens that you really believe in, and the
So you can listen to the voices.
life without love is like a tree without blossoms or fruit.
Government of the people, by the people, for the people shall not perish from the earth. Government of the people, by the people, for the people shall not perish from the earth.
If you spend your whole life waiting for the storm, you'll never enjoy the sunshine.
So you can click to show more voices so that you can have a choice.
The world is round, and the place which may seem like the end may also be the beginning.
Let me scroll down so you listen to more voices so we can choose anyone we want.
I have never been hurt by anything I didn't say.
So let's see. Let me see the one I want to choose. I think is it this Brian?
The thing always happens that you really believe in. Life without love is like a tree without blossoms or fruit.
So let me choose this one. I think I like that one. Then select audio, or they can give you any other audio, but you can click here for a drop down to select the audio you want. So you can also listen to it. I think I like this one, Paris base. You don't need to listen. So you can go ahead and listen to all the ones that you want, and you can do what you want with that. So that's all. And then we'll click on generate video. So let's wait for it to generate our videos. Then you can answer this to your question. How did you hear about this? I heard it's through YouTube. Let's see. YouTube. What's your goal with this? To generate YouTube shorts. Okay. So it's still generating our video. Actually took close to 3 to 4 minutes to generate that video, just to let you know. And when you're back at the Revit.ai, just scroll down. Once you scroll down, you'll see your own videos. That's the video. So let's look at the video and see what it has been able to do with our script.
Tommy swept classrooms after school. Other students laughed. "Cleaner girl," they whispered. One day she found a maths book in the trash. She took it home. Her brother asked, "You want to be a teacher?" She shrugged. "I just want to know why numbers add up." She studied by candlelight, wrote on old paper. Years later, she returned not to sweep, but to teach. The principal smiled. "You came back," she nodded. "I owe the dust something." Moral: what looks like the bottom can teach you how to rise.
So you see, it's really nice. It gives you captions. It generates the images for you. Everything is done in one place. Another amazing thing is that you can create a lot of shorts and then you can schedule it. You can add your TikTok account, you can add your Instagram, you can add your YouTube, and I think other accounts. All you have to do is to create a channel, give it a name, and I think that's all you need. And then give it some hashtags that you want to be going out with your shorts, and then save it. That's all. I think that's all. So with that, I've come to the end of this video showing you a software that you can do everything in one place. A software that you can give it an idea, you can get a script. It can also generate a script for you. It can generate your images. It can generate the video. It can even generate the captions of your video. If this is what you want and you have the money, I would advise you go for it because it saves you a lot of stress. I have a lot of videos where I show you how to actually do some of these videos, but it is not on one software. You need to go from one software to another software. So that's just the beauty of Revit.ai. But unfortunately, it's not free. You need to pay for it to be able to enjoy the benefits. So you see how it works? It really saves a lot of time. As I said, the only challenge for a lot of people is that it is not free. You cannot even export even one video from it. But you see the way it works, and it is not free. I will go for it later. I'll be watching out for them to do a sales, and then I'll go for it. And when they do a sales, I'll do a video so that you become aware in case you're interested in going for it. Thank you so much for watching till the end. See you in my next video.